The Agriculture Market Intelligence Report looks at opportunities within the primary production component of the agricultural value chain. It's really important that agricultural practices become more sustainable because South Africa is a resource-scarce country with below average rainfall, and therefore to ensure long-term food security, we need to protect our soil, biodiversity, our ecosystem services, and of course our water resources.
Some of the new opportunities that we identified in the 2021 Agri-MIR are that we've taken a closer look this year at opportunities for smallholder and emerging farmers, where we've previously looked at established commercial farmers. So these technologies, or rather practices, include organic agriculture, and we've also taken a closer look, or rather deeper dive, into renewable energy technologies within the agriculture sector, such as small-scale PV, solar-powered irrigation systems, biogas, and energy storage.
The agricultural and agri-processing sectors are ideal for biogas because of the agricultural residues generated and organic waste generated. This provides an opportunity to add value to those residues by generating biogas, which can be used as an alternative fuel or generate electricity and heat. In addition, the digestate produced by a biogas plant can be used as a soil enhancer or in other agricultural applications.
In terms of the agriculture sector and the impact that COVID-19 has had, with the exception of primary production linked to the alcohol industry, particularly the wine industry, we've actually noted that agriculture's growth and production has been particularly robust this year. This has been one of the sectors that has been a bright light in the economy in exceeding export projections and expectations over the past year.
Some of the key drivers that we identified in the agriculture sector for the 2021 Market Intelligence Report are regulatory, environmental, and economic. On the environmental side, South Africa is a resource-scarce country, and this is due to the lack of water in the country, soil degradation, and also increasing dependence on chemical fertilizers. But also population growth and climate change are also exacerbating these and driving a need for more sustainable production and technologies. When you're looking at it on the economic side, then we have the increasing cost of inputs such as fuel and electricity, and there's also a decreasing cost in green technologies such as solar panels. Then on the regulatory side, we see that there's an international market pressure, especially for export farmers, and also a push towards more environmentally friendly products that is driven by the regulations in the country. But there's also an increasing demand from consumers for more sustainable products, and this is also due to the shift towards more sustainable, healthier lifestyles.
Over the past year, we've seen some significant changes within the policy and regulatory space in the agriculture sector, specifically looking at emerging farmers and increased prioritization on land reform by government. We're also seeing that water metering and the requirements for farmers to regularly submit their water usage to the National Department should drive some investment in terms of water efficiency. There has been some uncertainty relating to the amendment of the Constitution regarding expropriation without compensation. However, the recently released expropriation bill provides much more clarity as to what the government's intentions are and should provide greater investor security and certainty with regards to when expropriation can take place and under what conditions no compensation would be paid. Going into 2021, I'm feeling quite positive about the agriculture sector. We're seeing this as a growth sector. There's a lot of focus on national government on the agriculture and agri-processing sector. It's got significant opportunities for labor absorption, and we do see that there's still significant opportunities to utilize underutilized or unutilized land. I'm feeling positive about what's coming in the coming year.